Question number 23. We have 7 students count numbers from 1 to 1,000. So let's write down a few numbers here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will help us solve this problem. So let's start with 17 or 18 numbers. Now the first student count, so they count number in such a way that every 3 number they skip 1. So for the first student, number read will be 1 and 2 will be skipped. 3, then 4 and 5 will be skipped. Right. Then 7, 8 and 9, 8 will be skipped, and so forth. The middle number will be skipped. So you can see the number skipped by A, numbers skipped by student A is start with 2, and every 3 number skip 1, right? 3, so the k equal to 0, 1. So it will skip 2 when k is 0, case 1 is skip 5, then case 2 is skip 2 plus 6, 8. Okay. Now student B will read again, take those numbers skipped by A and into group of 3. You read only the first and the second is group and skip the middle one, right? So the 5 will be skipped by B, and in this group of 3, 14 will be skipped, and so forth. Right? Now you can see this number of numbers, right? Numbers skipped by B would be start with 5, right? And how many number to skip 1? For the A, every 3 number. For the B, for the every 3 number of skipped by A, B will skip. So actually 3 times 3, okay, which is equal to actually 5 plus 9. Okay, start from 0. So every 9 number in the sequence, B will skip. And thinking in the same line, you're going to see the numbers skipped by student C. It's always the second number from skipped number by B, right? So B is this, so the second number skipped by B would be 14, and C will skip a number for every 27, right? Numbers. Now we continue with numbers skipped by D. The first number of D will be the second number skipped by C, right? So this is actually by the 14 plus 27k, right? So So the first number will be 1427. That's 41, right? So it will be 41 plus, and in this case will be 3 again. Every 27's skipped by C, right? So that will be equal to 41 plus 81. Okay. Those are numbers will be skipped by D. And again, the second number skipped by D will be first number, right? By E, right? So it's by numbers skipped by student E would be the second number in the sequence, because the first would be read by E, then E skip the second number, right? So would it be 41 plus 81 will be 122, and again this will be only 3 group of skipped number by D will be skipped by E, so it's 81. Okay, and that is 122 plus 243, K, right? You can have different number here, but anyway, K is greater or equal than 0. Now by F, right? Same thing, F will be the second number, which is 122 plus 243 from that numbers skipped by E, so it would be 365 plus 3 again. Every 3 one skip from a group of 3, right? 243. Okay, and that is 365 plus 9 to 729. Okay, so now the biggest number is 1000, so whatever skipped by F will be read by G, right? So G will start with 365, and does G have a second number to read? Probably not, because 729 plus 365 will be more than 1000. So the answer, which number G George reads, would be 365, and the answer is C.